Hi. In this video we are going to discuss about the satellites stay in place in orbit. Before going further, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Satellites stay in place in orbit around the Earth by balancing two forces, gravity and inertia. Gravity pulls the satellite towards the Earth, but the satellite's inertia keeps it moving forward. The faster the satellite moves, the further it will stay away from the Earth. The specific orbit of a satellite depends on its speed and altitude. A satellite that is closer to the Earth needs to move faster to stay in orbit than a satellite that is further away. There are three main types of satellite orbits. Low Earth orbit, LEO satellites are the closest to the Earth. They orbit at altitudes of between 100 and 2,000 kilometers. LEO satellites are used for a variety of purposes, including communication, weather forecasting, and Earth observation. Medium Earth orbit, MEO satellites orbit at altitudes of between 2,000 and 35,786 kilometers. MEO satellites are used for navigation, such as the Global Positioning System, GPS. Geosynchronous orbit, GEO satellites orbit at an altitude of 35,786 kilometers. This is the same distance as the Earth's equator, so GEO satellites appear to stay in one place in the sky. GEO satellites are used for communication, broadcasting, and weather forecasting. The amount of time a satellite stays in orbit depends on its orbit and its altitude. LEO satellites typically stay in orbit for a few years, while GEO satellites can stay in orbit for decades. Satellites can be moved to different orbits by using their onboard thrusters. Thrusters are small rockets that can be fired to change the satellite's speed or direction. Satellites are also equipped with sensors that can detect objects in their path, such as other satellites or space debris. These sensors can be used to avoid collisions. As satellites age, they eventually lose their orbital energy and fall back to Earth. This can happen naturally due to the effects of atmospheric drag, or it can be caused by intentional maneuvers by the satellite's operators. When a satellite falls back to Earth, it usually burns up in the atmosphere.